very good morning to all of you. As you all know, yesterday we had completed the chapter Madam Rides the Bus from the book First Flight. Okay, and I have sent you the homework. There were 12 questions in the book, and on the last page of the book, there are questions. I think 8 questions are there, and we're going to discuss all the questions in this video. Let's start with the first question from the book Madam Rides the Bus. The first question is the what was Wally's deepest desire? This question is on the page number 127. Find the words and phrases in the story that tell you this. Okay. What was the Wally's deepest desire? Wally's deepest desire was to have a ride on a bus. She wants to have a ride on a bus. She wants to go to the town. She wants to see all the mountains and the things. She wants to explore the words. And the next question, find the words and phrases in the story that tell you this. What are the words mentioned in the chapter that tell you this? That Wally's deepest desire was to have a ride on the bus. The first word was there, source of unending joy, and the second word is stare wistfully. These words on the page number, I think wistfully, it is page number 118, 180. Wistfully, longingly. When you want something completely, when you yearn for something, when you wish for something, that is called longingly. Stare wistfully. She stared wistfully in the streets, what's going on in the street, what's happening in the streets. Her favorite spot in her home was to stand in the corridor, was to stand in the window and to see what's happening in the streets, because she has not any playmates to play with. Okay. Next word is kindle in her longings, dreams and hopes. मीन्स उसके बहुत सारे सपने थे, उम्मीदें थी, जिसको लेके वो उसकी जो एक ही सपना था वो ये था कि she wants to have a ride on the bus. And the fourth is the meaning of discrete question is careful questions. Okay, these 3 words can be written in the answer of the first question. Have you understood what I am saying? The first question was, what was Wally's deepest desire? And the second question is, how did Wally plan her bus ride? What did she find out about the bus? And how did she save up the fare? How did Wally plan her bus ride? Wally planned the bus ride by listening the conversation carefully of her mother and the passengers who go daily to the town. She planned in this way. She collected the money, she gathered the money, and in this way she planned her bus ride. And what did she find out about the bus? She came to know that the town is 10 miles away from the village, and it took 45 minutes to reach there, and the fare was 30 paise each side. Means she has to collect 60 paise to return when she wants to return to her home. That's how she had planned her bus ride. How did she save up the fare? She collected the money. She collected money very difficulty, and at the first page of the chapter I have told you that when she came to know, one of the passengers was saying that it was very low fare, means it can be arranged very conveniently, but she was saying that it was very difficult for her to manage this fare. Now third question, what kind of person is Wally? What kind of person is Wally according to you? She was very confident girl. Okay. Her only aim was to have a ride to the town. Okay. Are you getting my point? This is the third question. I have cleared all the questions in the chapter. I have told you the comprehension check, 4 questions. There are 12 questions over comprehension check. Okay, this chapter is completed, and the next is what does the conductor refer to Wali as madam? Why did the conductor refer to Wali as madam? Because she was a very confident girl. When conductor asked her to get on the bus, and the conductor, because she was just 80 years old girl, she wants the conductor wants to help her by giving his hand, and the Wali said, no, I can get on the bus by myself. She didn't want any help. That's why she was behaving like she's a grown-up girl, she's a madam. That's why the conductor said Wali as madam, referred her as a madam. Are you getting me what I'm saying, students? I hope this chapter is clear. Okay. Next is why does Wali refuse to look out of the window on her way back? Because when she was going to the town, she saw that there was a cow running in front of the bus, towards the bus, and she felt amused by seeing that cow, and she was very happy to see all the views out of the window. But when she came back, when she was returning to her home, she saw that the same cow was lying dead alongside the road. Okay, she was dead, and this incident fills her with sadness, with sorrowfulness, with remorse. Okay, and next, what she said that she didn't have enough courage to look out of the window. She didn't want to look out of the window. She was frightened. She was afraid. That is the question of बेटा, ये जो मैं आपको आंसर बता रहा हूँ ना, ये बुक में ही है. ये पर्टिकुलरली जैसे अपने सोल्यूशन में होंगे वैसे नहीं है. ये बुक में मैं अपने आप आपको बोल रहा हूँ जैसे मैंने चैप्टर्स में समझा है. ओके, आई होप कि आप ईच एंड एवरी लाइन यू आर गेटिंग completely. Okay. What does Wali mean when she says, I was just agreeing with you what you said about things happening without your knowledge? When she was coming to her home, when she reached at her home, she found that her mother woke up and she was making gossips with her aunt, and they were saying that there are many things in the world that are going on without her knowledge. And she said yes. Okay, and she pokes her nose in their conversation, and she said yes, there are many things in this world that are happening without our knowledge. These are the questions. These are the very important questions, students. I hope you have got the idea about these questions. We have completed the chapter. By the next time, tomorrow, we will be starting the next chapter. Okay, students, till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.